This is how we started, here. 15 years ago, do you remember? The orientation and all of us in this place getting so excited that we started. And we had no idea. We had no idea then, and we have probably no idea now that we are creating a magic kingdom. And how does this all happen? It happens because of all of you.
Hi, my name is Jeet, and I have a 3.5-year-old daughter, Udita, who is in pre-K in Riverside. This is the second term, and I picked Riverside the first time is because when I came here and I saw the school, my initial reaction was, I wish I could have gone to a school like this.
Riverside is not only learning in the classrooms, it's about outside learning also, and we believe learning can happen anywhere. Over here it's a different thing. It's about how you can do different things. It's not about passing and failing anything. And in here we do different things like I can be the change, design for change. We do different things over here. And this school is also very fun because over here we do exciting things outside the class also.
We do lots of fun, lots of dance. Sometimes we do here comedy sometimes. One time or two times in the class we do comedy.
Here the way of learning is very different. You never have textbooks, you know, how a normal school will have to learn. Here if you want to learn something like say child rights, then they actually make you do that. They make you do child labor to understand about that. Or if you want to understand about disabled people, then they'll actually make you a little disabled. Like we had to kind of understand disabled people. So they actually tied both of our hands behind our backs and we had to do the whole day. So it is actually making us understand more than what we're understanding from a textbook.
I joined Riverside. That time I was like very shy and I didn't used to talk to people. I was not so good at communicating with others and I didn't have the confidence to do it. But after joining Riverside and after I went through all the experiences of visits and Be the Change conference where we had to talk about the entire Gandhi Ashram tour and about the food and history, and I could think about things in a higher level.
The biggest difference, and this is why I try and steal this idea and give it to everybody, but they don't take it, is that any other school in the country, and I've worked with big schools with 1,200 children, 800 children, 200 children, all being put on stage in one play, which is great because I know the parents want to see their child. But what Riverside as an idea has given me also is that theatre is not just about the actors on stage. Theatre is about everybody who worked behind, the costume department, the set, the makeup, the props, the sponsorship who bring in the money, the publicity department, the design department, all these things together make a play. But thankfully Riverside as a school, so Kiran Sethi as a leader of the school, all the teachers that have been working with Riverside under Kiran ma'am and have now evolved into their own people, they all understand the importance that of every department, of every little chapter that goes into making the final production.
I'm really inspired by Riverside example, and it's a really impressive school. If you just talk to the kids if you want to be know what's going on there.
This is a wonderful school. It's a beautiful plant. The curriculum is very well thought through. The 3 stages through which the children pass through are very carefully thought through, and I'm sure that young people who have the chance to come here are going to benefit from a terrific education.
I remember the time when Kiran was trying to start the school with a lot of uncertainty, a lot of doubt in her own mind about whether she would be able to do justice to this new endeavor that she was starting off on. And when we look back today, to see one of the finest institutions that India and probably the world has ever seen, I'm absolutely proud to say that I've known the school, I've known Kiran, I've known the teachers who've been involved with it, and it's been a privilege to have been part of the journey that they've undertaken.
What started off as Kiran's dream has today resulted in this fantastic space, a fantastic institution, a fantastic organization, a fantastic coming of together of people. And I always wonder, and you know, sometimes we sit here and I tell Kiran that she's created a space which is actually a meeting. It's an amalgamation of great minds.
Look at what you all have created. This is just amazing. I'm sitting here 15 years down, and I'm marveling that every single day we have a group of magicians right from that kaka outside on that door to our wonderful support staff. To Sunil, who looks after all of these wonderful trees. To every single one of you who look after the children in Key Stage 1, headed by the wonderfully warm, lovely Janvi, looking after her team and her children, making sure that they are safe and taken care of. Then we have the very capable, my Nikki and my Nandini, looking after this team and all the children, saying, yes, we are skilled and we are competent and we are getting all our strategies, a big toolbox. And then they graduate and they go on to this wonderful Key Stage 3 led by the most competent Deepa and her team that takes care of the magic that happens with Key Stage 3. And then ably supported by my Ritu, who says, buses are going. Your bus is late. To my Neelu, who says, rowdy rascala.
My toothless smile and toothless grin. Rascals, rowdy.
And to my Parul, who says, everything will be okay, not to worry. Every one of you. And then as we grew, it wasn't just the story. We started having a story that became wider. Not only were we going deeper with all the wonderful work that happens in each key stage, we started recognizing we had the ability to go wider. And then we walked into the space of the city, headed by the wonderfully gracious and calm Nina, and of course my Priyanka and my Kirti, taking on approach. Teacher Red and my wonderful Meghna and my Vishy and my Lavanya and my Vibha, all of them coming together to create the share. And all this could not have happened without the fact that we believe. We believe in an idea that is much larger than the fact that it can only stay here. And then we went wider. We said, my God, here's a capacity for this magic kingdom to do even more magic and spread some magic dust all over the world. And Design for Change happened. And then walked in this energetic, most maverick Anshul. And of course, we had the entire Design for Change team with Pranay and with Ruchi and with Akanksha. And now the team is growing with adding more people onto the team. It's been amazing, right? It's been just an absolute recognition that when good work happens, it can't be contained. It should not be contained. And all of your magic is now across 35 countries.
I can and you can, together we can be the change in the world.
I'm currently studying economics and psychology at the University of Michigan in America. And I think being a student of Riverside helped me get into this university because we were exposed to so many things. We had so much exposure. We had so many extracurricular activities. I've spoken at TEDx events. We've had conferences where we spoke at.
Space has given me, hope to be something in life as a person.
સ્કૂલમાં તો મારા અહીંયા આવ્યા પછી તો મને એવું લાગ્યું કે ચલો ભાઈ ઘરના સદસ્ય જ છીએ અમે અત્યાર સુધી તો મને કોઈ તકલીફ પડી નહીં લગભગ 14 વર્ષ થઈ ગયા મારા નોકરીમાં
This little magic kingdom was started in a small little place diagonally across Mahatma Gandhi's ashram. The man helping us and guiding us and giving us that vision that we can be the change we wish to see. And every one of you has participated in that. For me and for all of us at Riverside, a big thank you, a big, big congratulations that we're starting our 15th year journey. And we believe that Riverside is not the best school in the world, it should be the best school for the world.